image that he started out very well with his first film. He really did not need to experiment, and he's never experimented. So we thought this
except
might be the right
hair,
time.
In one film, except
Yeah.
with hair and one film, right?
Yeah.
एक film में उनके जो बाल हैं जनाब.
Yeah, so and this is the time where a lot of actors are experimenting with their looks. So I just thought that maybe it will add to the film if he also experiments. So we pushed it with Salman, and he agreed. Yes.
And sometimes that's all that you want, a little change from your stars in terms of the roles that they choose or the look that they have. And that is what actually adds that little extra interest.
Yeah.
Right, and his Salman's own reaction to the rushes. Salman's own reaction.
Well, Salman is extremely happy. I mean, Salman's worked very hard on this film. Let's be, very fair and honest. This was a tough film to do, especially because it was a very Salman-centric film. So we needed a lot of his, inputs physically, mentally, emotionally on this film. And
physically very demanding film.
Very
isn't it?
demanding. He knew he was working with a first-time director. He knew he was working with a first-time producer. He knew he had to actually play the elder brother, and he knew he had to kind of be there as a really pillar of strength. So he had a lot of roles to play in this film. He was like almost being a big support, moral support to us. And he's done his bit. He's done extremely well in this film as a performer, as a in every way, in his contribution as an actor, in his suggestions on the scripts, on what he wants, what he likes, and
did he make a few changes? Do any changes?
No, I don't think he made any changes, but he made a lot of suggestions, which most of them we could absorb because they worked for us.
We had a very kind of a democratic setup where all of us would kind of sit and people would give suggestions. So
did you guys push you around a bit? I mean,
yeah, he pushed me around.
Yeah,
and he pushed me around. He pushed me and made me think, forced me to. For 1 year, he sat me down and he said, "You're not doing anything else. Let's make this a rocking film." And every time I wrote a draft and went back to him, he would say, "Brilliant, but there's these 5 areas you can improve." Okay. And then he would call me in the middle of the night and say, "I got an idea. If we fit it there and..."
What is your idea of middle of the night?
12.
3 o'clock in the morning, right?
12.
Okay.
I don't think he stays up so late.
Yeah.
He's one of the first people to go to bed.
And early to rise.
Yeah.
Right. So what would he do? He would just come out and say, I want you to change this.
The brain was active. Everyone was thinking of ideas, and then at a later stage, we involved his father also. Because
Salim Saab
See, what happened is that we got time also. What happened is by the time we kind of finalized that this is the film that we wanted to make, Salman was still in the process of completing some of his films. So that gave us time before we went on. मतलब फिल्म को शुरू होने से पहले हमारे पास कुछ couple of months थे. तो जितना आपको वक्त मिलता है किसी चीज़ पे ना, उतना आप कोई चीज़ पे ज़्यादा पॉन्डर करते हो, सोचते हो, और उसमें से कितनी भी चीज़ें जो आपको धीरे धीरे लगती हैं कि यार ये लूप होल को सेट कर सकते हैं या ये अभी इतनी एक्साइटिंग नहीं लग रही है, तो उसके ऊपर हम कॉन्स्टेंटली करते थे. मैं इनको सजेस्ट करता था, ये मुझे सजेस्ट करते थे, बट छोटा मोटा मतलब थिंग्स दैट वी जस्ट नीडेड टू जस्ट ट्वीक अराउंड अ बिट. गॉट दैट रेडी. Then obviously when actors come on the sets, when Salman came on the sets, no matter how much we had worked on, they have their own sense of their take of how they want to do certain things. Then we allow them, like he allowed, okay, let's see, okay, आपको कैसे करना है, and देखता गया अच्छा लग रहा है ये. So then you have to be very flexible. So fortunately where we were concerned, we were never rigid about anything. We were very flexible and accommodating, and that's why everybody has gotten.
I think it worked for us rather than against us. That we kept on improvising and we kept on improving this.
And what about his dad's contribution?
His dad was like a chief mentor, and once we thought we were ready with the script, we took it to his dad because I respect a lot of writing that he's done in his career, and he heard the script, and he heard his focus was all there. Every time he missed a word, he just loudly said, "Fir se," and he was sitting right next to me, and I would go back and read again, and he didn't miss a word. And then he got up and he told me few changes that immediately occurred to me that why didn't it come to my head before this? So that is the sharpness of the man still, and
What do you mean
that
by still?
because he's
sharp,
kind of
he's
retired from the active acting, active writing part. And now I think he plays more of a mentor to some of the film industry people who look up to him for help and stuff. And and he's now I think mostly pushing 70,
75.
and so you don't expect
That's
that
not very
people will be
Fortunately,
very
he's
in
got-
sync and in tune with what is happening in the world, but he is.
वो क्या है कि वो अभी वो उन्होंने हमसे एक सिंपल बात कही थी जो मैं मिस नहीं करना चाहता था. उन्होंने बोला कि बेटा मैंने इतनी फिल्में लिखी हैं, मेरा आप काम आपने देखा है, आप जानते हो कि मेरे में अगर किसी चीज़ का टैलेंट है तो वो स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग का है. आप लोग जब फिल्में बनाते हो, आपके घर में एक ऐसा आदमी है जो कम से कम आप उसकी सजेशन तो ले लिया करो, कम से कम फिल्म शुरू करने से पहले एक बार उसकी ओपिनियन तो ले लिया करो. तो मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया था कि मैं शुरू करने से पहले काम मेरे को, जब रॉ स्टेज में होता है, आप किसी के पास जाओगे तो वो बोलेगा कि ये करना है, तो हम बोलेंगे हाँ ये तो कर ही रहे हैं. तो पहले तो करके जाओ आप, कि हमारी तरफ से हमको लगता है कि ये ऑलमोस्ट शूटिंग स्क्रिप्ट है. देन विल सी व्हाट हिज पर्सपेक्टिव है. तो उन्होंने जब कोई चीज़ देखी तो वो तो लाइक डॉक्टर एक्सरे में कोई चीज़ देखता है ना, उसको जो चीज़ें नजर आती हैं, उनको तो स्क्रिप्ट ऑलमोस्ट एक्सरे की तरह दिख जाती हैं. तो उनमें उनको जो चीज़ों में कमी लगी, खामियां लगी, उन्होंने पिन पॉइंट की और वो हमको समझ में आ गई. तो अभी रिविजिटेड द स्क्रिप्ट, हमने फिर रिविजिट की स्क्रिप्ट पे, फिर उसमें चेंजेस करके वो इनकॉर्पोरेट कर दिया.
एक बात और अच्छी लगती है मुझे सलीम साहब के बारे में कि वो सिर्फ कमी नहीं बताते, उन्होंने जो कमियां बताई उसका सोल्यूशन भी बताया. उन्होंने कहा कि हाँ ये कमी लग रही है मुझे, इसको तुम ऐसा कहो, बात तो ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है, और तो तुरंत बात समझ में आ जाती है वो क्यों कह रहे हैं और क्या कह रहे हैं. वो खूबी मेरे ख्याल से बहुत कम लोगों में मुझे मिली है.
Because it's very easy to criticize. It's very easy to say, yeah, this scene is not working. How do you make it work?
Yeah.
If you don't have sometimes what happens is that you can find a fault in something.
Yeah.
And this is okay. What is the solution? See, the solution I don't have. So then, if you don't have a solution, how sometimes you expect me to have a solution at times? Because either then you go by that. So if you say कि going in this direction would make more sense, then he would guide us there. And they were not some, it was ऐसा तो छेद नहीं थे जैसे बोलते हैं डायलॉग है कि जितने छेद करूँगा. There were not so many holes in the script. There were few things that he felt with his expertise that if you want to make it into a great film, if you want to make it into a very successful film, then why are you leaving these avenues which can get better? तो फिर उसको हमने उस पे काम किया. He kind of worked at it, got it right. We all got satisfied, and then we went on flow.
Now, one other thing, in terms of the film itself, what did you like about the film immediately? I mean, he narrated a script to you. It wasn't really a script, was it?
No, it was a script. It was a proper script.
So it was a proper script. He comes to you. He talks about it. आपके सामने जनाब भी आए, लेकिन just hear me out. You guys are actors, all right? You are an actor.
Right.
आपने न जाने कितने हजार स्क्रिप्ट सुने होंगे अभी तक, ठीक है जनाब. हर कोई जो अपना स्क्रिप्ट लेकर के आता है, दैट्स हिज बेबी. वो लोग उसको लगता है कि इससे ज्यादा ब्रिलियंट चीज, इससे ज्यादा माशाल्लाह जबरदस्त चीज आज तक कभी लिखी नहीं गई है. तो what struck you about this?
Yeah,
the sincerity about this guy, or
no?
What?
I think that I would have gauged later. First, एक घंटा जो पहला सबसे जो मीटिंग था उसमें से सिर्फ 5 मिनट इंट्रोडक्शन में गया, बाकी का पूरा जो टाइम था इनके स्क्रिप्ट नरेशन में गया. तो वो चीज़ जो थी वो मुझे इम्प्रेस इसलिए कर गई क्योंकि आज कुछ भी मतलब आई हैव बीन अराउंड माई सेल्फ फॉर कपल ऑफ इयर्स. आई एम एन एक्टर. आई hear script before I say yes. Sometimes I've been born in a film family, heard a lot. कभी-कभी as an actors we are deprived of choices.
Right.
See, a successful actor has a better chance to pick and choose his scripts or what he wants to do. Maybe in the position that I was, I did not have the liberty to pick the best work because it never came my way. But if I had the choice to make something, then I obviously had one chance at doing something that I felt was good and that's something that was exciting. तो जब मैंने ये कहानी सुनी, इसका जो प्रेमाइस सुना, इसके कैरेक्टर्स सुने, इसके सीन सुने, इसके डायलॉग सुने, तो मैंने बोला यार ये तो बोलने के लिए अलग नहीं है, ये है अलग. और ये अगर इस ऐसी फिल्म को कोई बैक करे और सलमान खान जैसा एक्टर करे, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि कुछ फिल्में होती हैं जो एक सर्टेन एक्टर्स के साथ तो वेरी मंडेन होती हैं और एक सर्टेन एक्टर के साथ उसमें एक नॉवेल्टी एस्पेक्ट आ जाती है. तो सलमान के साथ ये इस किस्म के जॉनर में जाना, इस चीज़ अचीव करना, वो एक नॉवेल्टी एस्पेक्ट हो जाएगी.
एक बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाता है. एक बड़े स्टार का आने से एक बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाता है. और क्या है, कहानी किसी के मुंह से कहनी है. तो एक पहचाना हुआ चेहरा जिसको सब ऑलरेडी प्यार करते हैं और चाहते हैं, अगर वही कहानी उसके मुंह से कही जाए तो ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचती है, तो ज़्यादा अप्रिसिएशन मिलने का चांस है. Some of these smaller films never reach the audience.
That's right.
You know, a lot of fresh faces.
All right, no. Yeah. This is a question I'm sure you've been asked in every interview that you've done, so we might as well get it over with.
Yeah.
Okay? You got lots of debuts happening in this film.
That's right.
You are a debutant producer, he's a debutant director, and on the big screen. and you got Sonakshi Sinha. That's her debut as well.
Yeah.
Anything else that I missed? Anybody else?
Yeah, there are
First time?
two debut singers.
Yeah, there are two different.
Who sung Munni Badnaam Hui Darling Tere Liye, which is the most popular song
Right.
of our film.
And
right.
can we have their names,
Yeah.
please? What are those?
Yeah,
One is Mamta Sharma, and the other one is
Mamta and
Aishwarya.
Aishwarya. The boy's name is Aishwarya.
All right.
Yeah.
And the girl is Mamta. So you have 5